What's up, guys? Today I got the Arrma Kraton RTR EXB 6S. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna do a review. I'm gonna give it a rating, and this is all based off my opinion. At first, I want to show you some running clips, so stay tuned.
Watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets caused real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling this war, never getting bored. Loves the blood and gore, always wanting more.
This thing is a beast. This thing is a beast. We're gonna start on the outside. We're gonna get into the tires, to like the whole layout of the car, the shocks and everything. So we're gonna start off with the copperhead 2 tires. The grip, the tread on there is pretty good. I like these tires. Never had a problem with them. So the thing is, they vented on the outside of the tire, so you ain't got to worry about water getting, staying in there. Because I wet these tires. I literally wash my tires, and I do not have problems with these tires. And then you got the EXB. You got the EXB bumper right here. EXB body, which this body isn't too durable. I love the color scheme though. The color scheme to this is off the charts. I mean, it gets no better than this. This is the best looking, to me, this is the best looking druggie they got out. Now we're gonna get into the get into the back of this car with the wing and the wing mount. Let's see if I can get in there. The wing mount, you can barely see that, but the wing mount is pretty durable. The wing is nice and flexible. Just wish they could have added a woolly bar, but I added my woolly wing. But I got this idea off of Milk Build RCs. I'm gonna put his link in the description below so you can check his channel out. So if you want to build one, you can make a wing just like this. Because mine's is awful, but the ideal of it works. I mean, this thing holds it down. It really holds it down. It saves the wing. You can control wheelies a lot better with it that wide, so it's a lot of ups with having it. All right, now back to the car. And body, give you my thoughts on the body. Body's not bad, but it could be durable. It didn't make usually suffer damage at the front part right here, up in here, but so far it hasn't. It hasn't suffered too much, and I'll be jumping it. So they did upgrade certain things. I don't know if it's the I don't know if this is upgraded, why, but it don't take as much damage as usual, or maybe I just didn't land wrong. But I noticed that would have been messed up. So next thing we got the shocks, aluminum oil filled threaded shocks, and you got the EXB cap on there, so you can bleed the brakes from the bleed screw instead of the bladder. That's great right there. Now let's turn this around. So now you got, okay, I know I'm a little shaky, and put it back in here. So you got the EXB shock towers, the EXB diff housing. You got so all of this is upgraded from the previous EXB. You got drive cups upgraded. I broke this one. If you can see, getting close, if you can see that, I had upgraded that. This is actually a Team Corrali cup that fits right up in there. But what I did with mine, I put hot racing hubs in there, so did upgrade it a little bit. As you figure, you put them hot racing hubs on there, RPM arms, the diff housings is cool. This car will be a tank. It'll be bulletproof. Now on, see what we got. Now right here you got the 150 amp ESC, the 2050 kV motor. You got the 25 turns, 25 teeth. Sorry, 25 teeth Spectrum servo. You got an upgraded servo servo arm, servo saver, EXB servo holder, tire aluminum brace, bottom EXB braces. This thing's a tank, man. This thing, I can't say a tank, but this thing is awesome. Like the speeds of it, the performance, it handle jumps. It handle jumps pretty good. It stays planted. Nice and stable. Control air, nice air control, nice ground control. All around great car. The only problem I had with this car is I broke the arms. I broke the arms, but that goes with rough driving. That's why I want to upgrade it with EXB parts. But other than that, I did not have, and I had a problem with the ESC. That's another problem this has, is the ESC, the V2 ESC needs some, it don't even need work, it need programming. So out the box, what you would do with this, you would update it and set your LVC to 5.2. Because theirs is set so high, I kept cutting when I was doing speed runs, and I figured it out. Got help figuring it out, but I figured it out eventually, and it was going on with a couple of the V2 ESCs. But other than that, loved it. I like the Kraton. I like the Kraton anyway, and this is a beast. Now, the tires, just in case somebody want to ask. With these tires, I don't like this, how this look, because it's harder to paint this in right. That's why it's a little sloppy. But what I use is Sharpies, paint Sharpies. I'm going to try to find a better marker for the tires, but I use paint Sharpies. It comes out pretty good, but it kind of changes color when it get wet. And it definitely scrapes off, but what you expect, it's on the sidewall. So these side walls is pretty soft, so not too soft, but it's a little soft, so you expect no less. There's no big deal. It's all cosmetics, that's why I do that. We got the 70-75 chassis and all that good stuff, but all around, this car gets an all-around 10. All-around 10 because it's perfect almost. Can't say perfect, but almost perfect. Yes, excellent. This is excellent. This car is excellent. But I'm gonna have another video. I'm gonna do the Team Karate Kagama, even though I didn't have it that long, but I can kind of see what it needs and see what it don't need, see what it got over the Kraton. I'm gonna do a part 2, Kraton versus Kagama, because the first video wasn't too hot, but this one's gonna be a lot better. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.
Well done.
Inside of me, you better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows mean. He gets claws real big, pissed off quick, and if you cross him you might drop 10. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore, always wanting more, freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness, torn apart quick, you'll have scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline